Hey YouTube, it is Valeria over here. This is me editing my videos right now, and this is how I normally look in the morning, so here I am. Let me just tell you, I tried doing a vlog and for whatever reason I lost the clip of the introduction. So I am here for you right now looking like I just woke up in the morning making an introduction. This is the first vlog I've ever created. It follows me through my whole day. It was like a super productive day. And yeah, I'm really excited you guys like this type of content, vlogs. It's actually really funny because I never thought I was going to do a vlog, but here I am making a vlog. It's not much, but I just want to show you guys something different of what I was doing. I am stuck in quarantine, and this is how I keep myself busy, not going crazy, not getting bored of stuff. So if you're excited to see this video, just keep on watching. Hope you like this video. This is a project in itself that I'm gonna have to do later. Yeah, I recorded a video yesterday, so that's why it looks so messy. But I gotta fix my little makeup section too, because drawers are open and it looks like a hot mess. So yeah, we're gonna do that today as well. But we're gonna go wash our face and get some food first. And this is my room. I gotta take out a lot of trash. I got trash right there too. I gotta fix Diesel's bed. Actually, let me do that right now. So I'm not gonna lie to you, my hair has been up in a bun for the last week, just because there's nobody to impress. But because I'm on YouTube, I decided to brush my hair just for you. You're welcome. Yeah, so now that I'm done here, I'm just gonna go eat real quick. So come on down. Ay, güey. Alright, this is my current makeup area. I'm gonna leave the brushes here. They usually go there in my little makeup section, but I'm gonna leave them here because I'm about to film. So I already set up my camera. I just need to set up my light in the back, and then yeah, this is pretty much it. So we're just gonna get started on filming because I need to do it ASAP. It's 12:17 right now. It's been like a 2.5 hours since I first started, and I still feel pretty productive. I've already taken like two, 3 things out of my to-do list, so I'm about to do the 3rd or 4th one. So when you see me again, you're going to see me glammed up and looking all cute. This is the look I filmed today. What do you think about this look? So I'm back with a different look. This is gonna be on my TikTok, so if you want to check it out, I'll put my TikTok down below. I am about to record one more video before the night ends. It's almost 9 p.m. and I'm getting pretty tired of like doing my makeup. My eyes getting really watery, so I have to just hurry up, get through it, and just call it a night. It's really much what's going on today. Hello, my lashes are off. It is about 9:40 right now. I am finally done with my day. I did 2 videos, 2 TikToks today. I didn't get to do my thumbnail for my lookbook, but I still have a couple days to do that, so I'm not stressed out about that. Today was really busy. Ever since I started a blog, I was doing stuff back and forth, so this is the first time I actually get to lay down in bed since I started my day. I'm just gonna take off my makeup, shower, and knock the fuck out, and I'm probably not gonna go to sleep until like 2 a.m. I'm gonna try not to sleep so late. Like, this whole week has been so shitty for me because I've been going to sleep at 12 or 2 in the morning, maybe like 1 in the morning. It's really bad. I just stay on TikTok the whole time. So I've tried to put my alarm at like 7 a.m. but it's so hard. So I usually wake up, like I'm going in and out of sleep till 9, and the only reason why I wake up at 9 is because my dog has to go to the bathroom and he cries, so he wakes me up and makes me get out of bed. So maybe tomorrow I can start super early and go for a morning run, because the little puppers needs to burn some energy off one way or another. Even though he's a horrible running partner, he still needs to exercise and all that. I'm just gonna end off the vlog here, me living my life in quarantine. Let me know if you want to see more of them, if you're more interested in doing weekly vlogs, or if you're just like random days like today where I was like extra productive and stuff, or do you want to see like lazy vlogs too, where I'm just doing nothing. Literally most of the time when I do nothing, I'm on my phone and I'm just watching TV, or I'm in my bed editing. I think tomorrow I'm gonna be a couch potato and do nothing all day. I hope you enjoy my very first vlog. I always said I was never gonna do vlogs because I didn't like to watch them as much. I don't watch them regularly, but the person I love to see do vlogs is Taylor Wynn on YouTube, and she is so aesthetically pleasing. I always enjoy her vlogs the most. But yeah, it's funny how the tables have turned, because I always said I was never gonna do vlogs. I remember one of my friends said you should do them, and I was like, they're not my vibe. But if you're more interested in seeing what's going on in my life and me vlogging more, let me know. Comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and stay safe, guys. Stay at home, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.